In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add electronic signature in Jotform. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a signature field, configure it the right way, and capture the signer's details to strengthen the legal validity of your form. First, open the form you want to use. Log into your Jotform account and navigate to that form in Form Builder. If you're not already in the Builder view, switch into it so you can edit the layout and fields. It's a good idea to confirm you're working on the correct form, especially if you have multiple versions. If you're making major changes, consider duplicating the form so you have a backup you can revert to later if needed. Next, add the signature field. In the Form Builder, open Form Elements, then go to Basic Elements. Find the signature field and drag it into your form. Place it exactly where you want people to sign. A common best practice is to position the signature near the end of the form after any consent language or summary of terms, so the signer clearly understands what they're agreeing to. Leave a little space around it to make signing easier on both desktop and mobile. Now let's configure the signature field so it works the way you need. Click the signature field to open its field settings. Start by giving it a clear professional label, such as client signature or authorized signer. Turn on required so no one can submit without signing. Then choose the signature type that fits your use case. Draw lets people sign with a mouse, trackpad, or with a finger on touch devices. This feels the most like a traditional signature. Type allows the signer to enter their name and have it rendered as a signature, which is quick and accessible. If upload is available, it lets users attach an image of their signature, useful when they already have a scanned signature file. To strengthen legal validity, add signer information fields next to the signature. Include full name and email address so the signature can be tied to a specific person, and optionally add a date field for a clear record of when they signed. Group these fields together visually so it's obvious they belong with the signature. Clear labels help reduce errors, and you can add brief helper text beneath fields to clarify what's required. That's it. With the signature field in place, properly configured and supported by the signer's information, your Jotform is ready to collect electronic signatures in a clear, consistent, and legally mindful way.